Hey guys, welcome back. You probably think another video. Yes, because my Fairyloot box finally arrived. Thanks God. It was supposed to be here on last week. It should be here last week. It was here where I live in the packing station and haven't moved since then. So I was very relieved that it came today, but apparently the postman said I wasn't home, but I was home. What's the truth, huh? What's the truth? Because I was here and he literally dropped my package off on the 13th floor and I live on the 12th. So what? Why? I don't understand, but whatever. But now it's finally here and I'm so excited because the theme were moon and stars something, and I really like that theme. So I would say let's open that shit up because I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing we have is the spoiler card. Ooh, it's actually that way now. Oh, that's pretty. I always love the spoiler card, guys. They always so pretty. The next thing we have is moon and stars paper clips. They look like that. You can always use that. So, and they actually pretty cute. So yeah, like that. On to the next thing. This is my little moon. That's cute. Trinket dish. What's that? Oh, that's cute. Okay, so here we have like a moon-shaped trinket dish. It's pretty. I like that, and I'm a very messy person, like my earrings and rings always flying around, so that is actually something very useful. And it's very cute. I like that. And the next thing is Starry Fairy. Sounds promising. Look. And I must say, the packages from this box now, they are so cute. Like, I don't want to throw them away because they look really cute. And we have some fairy lights in here. I don't know if you can see that. It's little stars fairy lights. It's a little bit short, but it's cute. I like those. I love fairy lights. Like I absolutely adore fairy lights. So cute. Which one should we open first? Cal? Which one? This? And I take the Klimper one. I take the small one. Ooh, what's that? Oh, that is pretty. I can use that for my Louise LeBlanc cosplay. It's a necklace with the moon cycle on it, and that is cute. Oh my god, that's pretty. Yes, I love that. That's really cute. I just love that. Yes, that's a win. More necklaces, please, because I love them. Oh, that's cute too. And it's fun. Even the darker stars, it's a keychain with a little dragon. And he looks cute. I have even the dark stars. I have this on my TBR. Now I'm out of focus. And I'm really, really excited to read this. And I hope I can find out who he's actually called, because I have no idea. And the next item. Oh, that's cute. It's a pillowcase. And this is pretty. This is really pretty. I love the colors. Here's a quote. This is so cool. Oh, this is really really beautiful. I will look so good out of my bed. We have a new pillowcase. You like? He doesn't care. The next thing is a little notepad. Oh, it's so shiny. This is really, really pretty. I don't know if you can read that quote, but here stands, "You have me. Until the last star in the galaxy dies, you have me." That's so cute. Oh my god. But it's from a book from Jack Christoph. I'm not a fan of his, but that quote is cute, so I'm probably gonna give it a try. So yes. Now we come to an end. We have the next not spoiler cards. We have the next tarot cards. This is Laya from An Amber in the Ashes. I'm pretty sure that's Laya. But I have no idea who this guy is. If you know who he is, here shout out to my Amber in the Ashes fans. Let me know. But I'm pretty sure that's Liar. I'm 100% sure. Okay. Now we get to the book, and I'm so excited. So first things first, we have, like always, the bookmark. We have the fairy scoop. I'm also very excited for the next theme, because the book in the next box is going to be amazing. I just know it. Ooh, we have some stickers. Stickers related to the book, I guess, that is featured. Yeah, and they very cute. I love stickers. Then we have the artwork with the author's letter. I know I'm already in love with these two because they look amazing. Yeah, but let's get onto the book. And the book is... Yes. Ooh, I love that. Woven in Moonlight, Size the Night. I hope I pronounced that right, but it's this one. And I already have that on my TBR. I was planning to read it next month, so I'm very happy that we have this in here, because this is really, really pretty. It's signed. I love that the tiger, is that a tiger? I don't know. Has here like a speaking, it's called, I don't know. Yeah, it's signed. It's really, really beautiful, and ooh, it has art on the reverse back. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. And this is the art on the back. really, really pretty. I really love that. This is always so beautiful. And I cannot wait to read this book because it looks so promising and so beautiful, and it's probably everything everyone wants. But yeah, love it. And that's it actually. We're done. That was fast. Not much talking. We're done, baby. My thoughts on this box are much better than the last ones. Really amazing items that actually based on the theme. Overall, I'm very happy with that box. As you know, I was not as happy with the last ones. There were many items that are not really necessary, but I think they really snap with this one. I mean, the pillowcase is like very amazing. I love the color, I love the fabric, the quality. The necklace is so cute because I love necklaces. I think the fairy lights were a very good idea. And yeah, I don't know what else to say besides that I'm very happy with this box, and I'm glad that I got it, and that I'm now excited for the next one. So I would say we end this video here, and I see you in the next one. So bye!